Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your night light options are not visible on your Windows computer. So on Windows 10, there's an ability to incorporate different kinds of lighting displays. So if we went into the start menu here and went underneath settings, and then I went underneath display. So I'm going to go underneath system here. And then you can see night light is grayed out, and then if I left click on night light settings, you can see I do not have any options in here. In order to resolve this issue, we're going to have to go into the registry. So I would please take note that I would recommend that you create a backup of your registry before going forward with this tutorial. Once you've created a backup of your registry, I'd recommend, if you don't already have regedit open, you want to type in regedit into the start menu. Best match should say regedit. Right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, left click on Yes. Now you want to navigate over to HKey Current User. So right here, and then either double click on the folder or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the view. And I'm going to make the sidebar a little wider here so we can see where we're going. Now that you've done that, you want to go underneath software, same methodology we used before. So again, double click or left click on the little arrow next to it. Then Microsoft, again, same thing. Now you want to go underneath Windows. So scroll down here, right here, select Windows, expand current version, should be the first folder right underneath Windows. Now you want to go to Cloud Store, expand that one here. Now there should be something that says Store. Expand that one as well. Now there should be something that says Cache. Expand that one. Cache is C-A-C-H-E, pronounced as Cache, C-A-S-H. Just keep in mind, look at what I am highlighting right now on my screen. Now you want to expand default account. And now we want to delete two of these subkeys in here, so I'm going to expand this. Now the first one we want to delete is the one that ends in blue light reduction state right here. So you want to right click on it and then left click on delete, select yes to delete it. And now you want to also delete the one that says blue light reduction settings, which should be the one right underneath that one. And now that we've deleted it, it is now the first one. I'm going to right click, left click on delete, left click on yes. Now that we've done that, we can close out of here. You should restart your computer. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to sign back into my computer here. Okay guys, so you can see we have restarted our computer. Go back into nightlight settings and that should hopefully be able to resolve your issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.